face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Hey guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to make Victory Valkyrie out of Lego. Alright, so this is how you make Victory Valkyrie. And this piece right over here, it's fine. And you just do this, and you take piece, the middle part, and it says a V, and you put it right in the middle. And you take this that sticks out of the Beyblade, and you put it right over here. This is the spirit that goes there, and this one sticks out the Beyblade. That one doesn't. Alright, and now with the wings, you put the first wing right over here, and you bring this and you stick it right over there, and you take this wing and you put it right over here, and you put this one right over here, and we're finished the Valkyrie top. And now the metal. Now the metal's easy. You just need to put this red part right up there, and then you put this, both of them, right over here, and you do this, and you do the same thing. And now with the tip, you just do this, and we're finished. Now let's connect it together. And it's finished, Victory Valkyrie. And let's test it out. Spins just like Victory Valkyrie, and the tip does, and also the metal. Wow. Looks like the same thing. And make sure to subscribe if you like or send a comment if you like my Beyblade that I made. Or press the like button, or smash the like bell, and stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my videos. Bye.